welcome back to my channel. I have something very special for us to talk about today. We are heading towards the worst economic month since the last 15 years. We are looking at a massive crash in the stock market, in real estate and in cryptos. Some companies are already filing for bankruptcy and unfortunately, people are going to lose their jobs. When the economy is growing too fast, the central bank is going to increase interest rates to commercial banks and therefore interest rates also go up for consumers. As a result, it is more expensive to borrow and people actually spend a lot less than they did before. Industries get less revenue and they also invest a lot less than they did before as well. This also leads to a decrease in production. What is actually the point of producing if nobody actually buys your stock? This causes the economy to slow down. On the other hand, when the economy is down, the central bank is going to reduce interest rates, which actually results in an increase in consumption and production. Right now, we have a very high inflation. The world is facing global conflicts like the war in Ukraine. There are also major crises, including the climate crisis, with extreme weather events happening across the globe. The China's factories are actually being slowed down and this is causing a massive disruption in the supply chain. We also have a massive global fuel shortage. It also causes lots of price hikes at the pumps. Logistics therefore becomes more expensive and this is felt on the price of grocery items when shopping. All these are the perfect ingredients for a disaster. So a recession is actually a measure of GDP, that is your gross domestic product. Think of GDP as total amount of value created in an economy. When you buy a single item from a shop, you are actively contributing to the economy's GDP. When consumer spending goes down, GDP also drops. If GDP drops for 6 consecutive months, that is 6 months in a row or 2 quarters, then officially we are in a recession. The good news is that during crisis, you can actually build massive wealth or fortunes. The stock market is actually the only place whereby when prices go down, people actually run away. Think of it this way. If you go to a McDonald's, right, and the prices have gone down or are on sale, are you going to flee or are you going to buy more of those burgers? The answer is very obvious. You're going to buy more burgers. Therefore, during a recession, you actually have to do things the right way. When prices go down, you have to buy more. So here are 3 things you can do to actually be on the right side of things during a recession. The first thing is you have to save more of your money. So the first thing you have to save in is going to be in your emergency fund. Once you have that put aside, you also have to have cash to buy into opportunities. So cash is king during a recession. And next you have to cut on your useless spending in order to have more cash. Secondly, you have to increase your revenue. So ask for a raise if that's possible and start a cash flowing business or a side hustle. This might be freelancing, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, Amazon FBA, dropshipping, coaching, and whatnot. Start a side hustle. And lastly, you have to invest your money. There's no need of having all that money in the bank and just sleeping and doing nothing. You have to invest this money to actually have those long-term gains. Make use of dollar cost averaging. So you can invest your money in index funds, in ETFs, in REITs, or actually in real estate. So make use of these vehicles to be able to increase your wealth. I hope you had value in this video. If you find it useful, like usual, don't forget to give it a like down below and subscribe to see more videos like this one. Thanks again for watching and see you next time.